देखिए, कहानी तो कोई जब कहानी बनती है, एक मज़ेदार बात था कि मेरी एक सिंपल सा थ्योरी था, किसी के भी बचपन में, जैसे अपने बचपन में था, कि जब एक बच्चा को हल्का होना होता है, टॉयलेट जाना होता है, तो कहाँ जाएगा वो, क्या करेगा? तो उसकी जो तकलीफ़ है, जैसे पिचकू का तकलीफ़ है, इसको एक सिंपल सा तकलीफ़ है कि बाकी दुनिया भर के लोग जहाँ रेलवे लाइन इधर-उधर करते हैं, उधर नहीं करना है और मेरे को वो एक गंदगी में नहीं जाना है। तो जैसे यहाँ हम देखें बैठे हैं, दोस्त शेयर कर रहे हैं, ऐसे कोई नहीं करता, हम कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करके बात कर रहे हैं। बट जब ये कहानी आई तो उसके बाद मैंने डिस्कशन करना शुरू किया और पहले जब HCL भी गए, because there are people who are very sensible towards this kind of issue, so immediately वो support आई। एंड आई वुड से दैट कि ऐसे कॉर्पोरेट जिस प्रकार का सिनेमा है, ये जो सपोर्ट आती है तो आपकी फिल्म ऑटोमेटिकली एक बड़ा रूप लेता है। तो आज हल्का इतना बड़ा रूप ले पाया बिकॉज ऑफ शिवनादर फाउंडेशन इन HCL एंड द काइंड ऑफ पीपल they are support our producer Roshni Nadar, because she was personally engaged in the film. वेल देखिए, अभी टाइम आ गया है इंडिया में, काफ़ी परिवर्तन हो चुका है कि there is whole lot of new audience, whole lot of new producers. So today when you have a good content, there is always a producer to pick up, there is always a platform to pick up. So it's no more that desperation ki I take a script and struggle for 10 years. So that change is giving a huge space for Indian filmmakers to go way out than the regular kind of filmmaking. So I don't see today much struggle for people, whether, of course I have done many films, so there is always a consideration that they like the kind of script I do. But apart from that, also for independent new filmmakers also, they get platform, they get films done easily.
What about you as an actor? What was the potential as an actor which motivated you to cast?
Well, it was very interesting to get this boy, when I have a different approach to casting altogether. I don't do audition, I interact with people. When I interacted with him, it was in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I decided that this is the boy. And in terms of talent, I do not force dialogue or anything. It's how that comes into character. And this boy could take, it is surprising that with so much of, it was really a difficult situation to shoot in the kind of space we were shooting. It was not easy at all. But he really could, that's what he says always, that, sir, I didn't want to send him much time, send him a lot of time to the slum. He said, sir, I wanted to see people. I want to see those kids, how they live. And that kind of engagement for a child to get passionate about their character, it becomes easier for a director.
जब ये फिल्म शूट हो रही थी तो उससे पहले हम स्लम एरिया में गए थे ताकि मैं उसको ऑब्जर्व कर सकूं कि कैसे वो बच्चे रहते हैं। मैंने सर से बोला था कि सर मेरे को पहले वो देख लूँगा, फिर मैं उसको आराम से कर दूँगा। तो फिर हम पूरे 10 to 15 डेज़ वहाँ पे जाते थे रेगुलरली, और वहाँ पे हमेशा मैं वहाँ पे बच्चे देखता था कि कभी वो मेरे साथ खेल रहे हैं, कभी वो मेरे को वहाँ पे एक मेट्रो लाइन, वहाँ पे मैंने कम से कम 10 to 15 दोस्त मैंने अपने बनाए थे।
कैसा अनुभव था उनके साथ काम करने का? सर ने कैसे मोटिवेट किया आपको इस फिल्म में, जो भी डिफिकल्ट सीन्स हो जाता है या डिफिकल्ट सीन्स होता है, उसके बारे में बताइए कि मोटिवेट
जब कोई सीन होता नहीं था मेरे से तो सर स्पेशली आते थे और मेरे को कान में बोलते थे कि इस सीन को इस तरह नहीं करना, इसको इस तरह सोच के इस तरह कर दे तो ये वन टेक में हो जाएगा। और असल में ऐसा होता भी था। तो जब सर मेरे को समझाते थे और उसके बाद मेरा वन टेक में हो जाता था वो, जब मेरे से हो नहीं रहा होता था कोई, तो जब सर समझाते थे तो फिर वो जो टेक था वो मेरा वन टेक में हो जाता था। और सब बोलते थे कि मतलब ये हुआ क्या, मतलब इतनी देर से इसका ये वाला सीन नहीं हो रहा, सर जैसे ही गए उसके बाद इसका ये वाला सीन एक टेक में कैसे हो गया, सब ये बोलते थे।
No, definitely. आप देखिए, I mean, there is a whole audience who understand film festival things. There is film critics who understand film festival things. So I think the reach out today, the audience we have reached out all over the world is a big thing for us, because for a small independent film, that basically warms up your audience that the film is already popular in some way. It is not just a new surprise in your theater. Yeah, they. I mean, see, I must say that I have been blessed with all great actors. Whether it's this film or earlier films, and it's when you have great actors, it is the best thing you feel as a director. No, government is also supporting in many ways. The Urban Development Minister himself released the trailer, and the government is supporting in many ways now, which is really a great support, I would say. Well, every film is commercial. आप जो पैसे डालते हैं उसके पैसे निकलते हैं, ठीक है. Socially relevance is not the right term. I always say that it is because there's so many. I mean, at the end of the day, I want to make films which people would like, more people would like. That is the thing. Whether so-called it is commercial art house, it doesn't matter.
मैं एक्टिंग के अलावा मेरे को क्रिकेटर बनना है और इंडिया का नंबर 1 बीट बॉक्सर भी बनना है।
Yes. Now I'm working on a couple of scripts. Let's see how they shape up, because at times you work on a script for 2 years and it doesn't happen. We're still working on that.
What will you start to become a part of the project? What was the creation?
Oh, I think Halka was a fabulous script and told the story on a very important subject. And the part that I was offered was absolutely important to the film. And so these are the things which I look for in a script, and it had everything.
Although you have been part of, blockbuster films like this thing, and you do as well as objects, and so what really entertains you and what really motivates you to be part of the project as well?
A good script, a good part, and a good director. These are the three things that I look for in any project. And it's not always easy to find these three things in the work that is given to you.
But when you become a part of a project like this, I mean, the viewership is lesser as compared to the particular masala film. So what do you have to say about?
देखिए, I think it's a mix of both. थोड़ा मेरे को भी मसाला जो बिल्कुल फ्लफी फिल्म्स होती हैं मुझे जमती भी नहीं है, और थोड़ा मेन स्ट्रीम भी मुझे इग्नोर और साइडलाइन करती है. तो I think it's because of that I don't end up doing many mainstream films.
Talking about the subject of the movie, it deals with the sanitation issue as such. So what you have to say that after being in Modi government, developing a lot. So as a filmmaker, as an actor, what do you really want want to tell the audience?
मैं यही कहूँगा, देखिए जो अभी आप पॉलिटिकल एंगल की बात कर रहे हैं कि ऑपोजिशन का ज़रूरी है ये काम करना कि जो चीज़ें सरकार, जो लोग पावर में हैं उसको जो चीज़ें गलत कर रहे हैं उसको अपोज करें या प्रेशर डालें, और उतना ही ज़रूरी ये भी होता है कि जो अच्छे काम सरकार कर रही है उसमें होल हार्टेडली सपोर्ट करें। तो फिलहाल जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का स्वच्छ भारत अभियान था, उसके साथ भी मैं देखता हूँ यही कि जस्ट बिकॉज मोदी जी ने कहा है, भाजपा ने कहा है, तो नहीं इसको रेजिस्टेंस उसको सपोर्ट करने की जगह रेजिस्ट करना, ये बेवकूफ़ी मैं समझता हूँ। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान में सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ को होल हार्टेडली सपोर्ट करके इनफैक्ट आगे बढ़ बढ़ के सपोर्ट करना चाहिए।
And what about the director of the film? Earlier also he has been Social film, he's a national award winner. So what do you think about the director?
I think Neil Madhav Panda has a unique ability to take a social theme and make a great film about it. A film which is not just preaching or trying to very directly push that message, but wrapping it in a very entertaining and engaging story with some great characters. तो ये I think उनकी USP है and it is commendable.
And what about Tathastu, he's been leading male child actor in the film as well. What about his acting
I think Tathastu is a very talented young man, and I think he has a very bright future. He's a great kid. I mean, I had a lot of fun hanging with him on set, even off camera. We had great fun, and we have a great relationship.
And the second project I'm working on for right now.
After Halka, on the same day, I have another film in which I have a supporting role where Manoj Bajpayee plays the lead. It's called Gali Guliyan. And then after that, I think my next film will be in February next year, called Social